is a digital incubator ranked #1 in India, has come up with a 6-month program for first-time founder in college across the country. Team are selected through coding and business challenges for a 6-month intense program. They thought all core startup concept culminate in a prototype launch, consumer validation. They work on curated market-ready ideas provided by our industry partner.
I kindly request our EDC coordinator, Mrs. N. Gayatri, to welcome our guest speaker. To present our guest speaker, Mr. Engineering and Public Health, both in USC. She has over 13 years of experience and 9 years of experience in integrated ecosystem at IIT Madras. Currently, she is with Startup Village, looking at how students' entrepreneurship can be supported at institutional level.
Sir.
Can you hear me? I would request some silence since the mic isn't working. I will not be using the mic until we find something. So Adnala, please be quiet, alright? Okay. I have a presentation, but before they set it up, we can have some interactions and we'll get to know each other better. So this session is useful for you and for me. Alright? So yeah, inga yaarla vandha second year students. Okay, and third year? Final year? Okay. Department wise, computer science, ECE, electrical, engineering, where are MBA students? Okay, any other department? Chemical? Biotech. Okay, great. Entrepreneurship, have you heard of this word entrepreneurship? Okay. Eppadi kelvipatteenga? Is it because of the newspaper or Modi's recent movement, Startup India, adanaliya? Illana unga? Pardon me? Subject is there? Subject is there in all department? Okay. Inga yaarla EDC members, like inga EDC entrepreneurship development cell irukku inga who is interested in entrepreneurship unga group la? You have to raise your hands a little higher. So all of you are all, so you're all interested? Okay, cool. And ninga ellarume, are you all from Chennai? So Tamil is okay, Tamil English combination. Okay, great. So I have few questions. I don't need a mic, it's okay. Pudu idea irukku, idhu mari nama different ah pannalam. Illana college la padikumbodhu when you went to your teacher and you said, I have an idea. Has anybody said that? You felt it, you have something different, you have thought about it differently. Anyone? No one? Whoever has, can you raise your hands? So like you just felt, I'm not saying it should be like a genius idea, different are thinking. Even in our day to day, like even if you want to tell your friend, I have an idea, can we do this differently? So some of you would have said, common உங்களுக்கு என்ன responses வரும் அப்படி சொல்லும்போது? Okay, who did not want to do engineering but for it?
Sir, அந்த லைட் போட்டு வந்துச்சு. பஸ் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க.
So now you have another contradiction, right? I need to, by the way, I am an engineer also. My background is BTech chemical engineering. I got very low cut-off marks. So I was asked to do chemical because that was the lowest priority, right? So I chose, I did not choose it, I was asked to do it. So nariya per inga vandu even your basic education choice is not something you want to do. But you will all do it well because you understand your family, you understand what they want you to do. Right? You feel they are working hard for you. Like my parents are working very hard for me. So you will feel you want to do it. Right? And you will be successful. Right? But trust me, in the time when you want to do something which you really like to do, you will do it very well. You will do it like extremely passionate. Like you feel like every morning you want to wake up and go to work. Not like ayo kalamulume abingiradhu you never feel. Like for example, I did BTech chemical engineering and then I did ME environmental. And somehow I did not feel the satisfaction. I just felt something isn't right. I don't feel complete. So I worked for a few years and I did masters in public health. When I did that, I felt so good. You know, that's something I wanted to study. I wanted to work very hard. I wanted to understand what my professors are saying. I did not by heart anything. I understood. I listened to in class, which is very important because then you will have the love for the subject. So trust me, today you might all be doing something that you don't like. But tomorrow you will have to make choices that you like. Right? When you do that, you will really feel very empowered. You will feel like you own the world. You will feel like I can take it on. So that's something you all need to believe in. And trust me, it will happen. I've been through that phase where the first degree is not your choice. Right? But you will get to it. Right? So like I was saying, student community is a very powerful community. I'll tell you why. There is a word called generation gap. Right? You know generation gap, we often use it to our parents or elders. Right? What is the meaning of generation gap? Can you tell me? Why do you say that? Change in the society. Fantastic answer. Improvement in technology. Brilliant. Difference in thought. Give the three of them a good round of applause. Fantastic. What does it mean is when one generation creates problems, the next generation has the ability to solve it. Right? So when my generation create a problem, your generation will solve it. Because I will not have the ability to think that much, but you all will. Similarly, like someone beautifully said, technology development. It is so true. Today, if you give a child in school, right, you'll have brothers or you have your neighbor's kids, he'll be like fourth standard. You can put a smartphone, in 20 minutes he'll figure out, right? But can you imagine when you were in fourth standard, if someone gives you a smartphone, but these kids, not that they go to YouTube and learn nothing. Immediately, how do they do it? That's what is called generation gap. Right? Their brain is so well wired to understand what is happening around them so quickly. You as a generation is much smarter than me in my generation. Right? Like to give you an example, if you want to search for something, right? Search for some new information, where do you go? Google. Who told you to go to Google? Did Google CEO come and tell you to go to Google? No, right? If you want to chat on your phone, what do you use? WhatsApp. Right? When you want to share pictures and find out where your friends are, Facebook. Right? So all this, not that the CEOs came and told you. Right? It is because you know what is the next good thing which will be economically feasible. Right? You don't need to spend a lot of money to use WhatsApp. Right? You just have to use a data pack. Right? And see, everything is around you and you know what is the best. That is what entrepreneurship is all about. See, someone who created WhatsApp few years back thought today everybody will have smartphones. The young generation will have smartphones. And they'll all need to text and chat with each other over wireless. Right? So hence, they came up with that feature which enabled those who have smartphone to talk to each other or chat with each other. And you would have seen the recent feature on WhatsApp, right, called encryption. Right? What does encryption mean? Secure way of communication. Right? Very, very nice innovation. Because people were thinking, is my chat private? Can other people see it? All those fears that you have in your mind, there are people who are innovating and thinking of how they can make you feel comfortable. Alright? So now I'm going to show you like one video. Yeah. Video 1 please. Are you sure it's giving knowledge? Lecture. If someone is lecturing you, if I say I'm going to give you a lecture today, do you think it's Sharing ideas. Okay, what is the meaning of learning? Understanding concepts, new ideas, kind of input, fantastic. See, lectures, like someone rightly pointed out, it's a very one-way communication. When I tell you I'm going to lecture you, it means that I have the knowledge and I'm going to talk to you. Right? When I say I'm going to help you learn, it means I have some knowledge, but you also have some knowledge and information that I want to learn. Right? So, typically in our classrooms today, is it lecturing mode or learning mode? Lecturing mode, right? It's not correct because you're often hearing this one-way communication, which is not right. It doesn't help you to think and evolve. Learning is so important, and not just for you all, for me also, right? I mean, I need to be able to think. I know less than you. My ego should not be that much to think that I know so much that I'm not here to listen, right? So, but most often than not, our classrooms today are just in the lecturing mode, which kind of hurts our learning process, right? So, what we have to do is for us to be able to give you a platform to think and innovate. So, Startup Village, right, has come up with this platform which will help you for entrepreneurs who want to think and innovate, can work with us for 6 months, and we will kind of give you these skills that will help you to work on your ideas further. Yeah? So what happens is, it's a very simple process for us. All you need to do is go to our website and then apply with us online. Yeah. What you're missing to see is, I have some real life stories of young students such as yourself who've been part of our system and learned through the process of how to build a product, right? And then being successful because of it. Youngsters just like you who've been in college thinking, can I do this? Will I be able to do it? Right? And they are here with us and who finished the 6 months program and have been very successful. Yeah. I just met with your principal this morning, and he is a very outward thinking person. It's very important to have management who kind of understands the issues of students and help you better prepare. He is willing to support you all in any way which possible. Right? See, the problem most often what happens is, you might all be thinking, today I'm just coming, talking to you. Some of you are actually looking very sleepy also. And those who are sleepy I'll definitely ask you to leave very soon. But you'll be thinking, okay, what happens next year? Right? That's another concern. So today I'm here talking to you, what will happen the next year, what will happen the year after. So this partnership that we have with your university is not just for me to come here today and leave. This is something that we want to encourage you to believe that a platform will exist for you on an ongoing basis, not just today, but tomorrow, but for the years to come, that you can work with us and kind of help you sharpen your entrepreneurial skills. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Can we do it? Huh? Go over so you can see if you have any questions, we can talk about it. Next slide, please. So this, what you're going to hear from me, which you've already started, is not something like a marketing tool, alright? This is, hiring is easy. So hiring is placements. Acqui-hiring is, say for example, if the 4 girls here, they together started a company, right? And they're working on a product. And me, a part of a bigger company, is very interested in something that they're doing, right? Not just the team, but also in the product. So what I will tell them is, I will hire the 4 of you. And I would also like to kind of work with your product. So this is called acqui-hiring. So where the 4 of you get hired together, plus the model that you're working on, which will help in my company. So this, you've heard of Tally? Tally is a company. Have you heard of Tally? It's one of the fundamental Indian startup, technical startup ever, like original. They did not copy or replicate from any other part of the world. This is a truly Indian startup, and they actually hired the four of them. Meaning they were, they kind of hired the four. The teams can be amongst yourself in the college, or it can be that you are here and then you have someone else from another college that you want to work with. That is also possible. Next one. So these two girls, Sara and Arya, also worked with us, and they also built a prototype, and they just participated in the 6 months program. And Arya actually is very keen on pursuing higher studies. So very recently she came and said that she would like to go in for higher studies, for which we gave her a recommendation letter, and she's actually in a university right now. Next one please. Arun, again just like one of you all, had built a prototype, he got a job offer, he also got selected in the university, but he chose to be with his team and build the startup together. What is the meaning of industry skills? Why do you need industry skills? Can you tell me? When you study, why is it important to have industry connect? You all have practical training, right? At the end of your 4th year, 3rd year. Why is it important? Real-time experience, applying your knowledge. Anything else? Why is industry so important? Why is industry skills so important? A practical application, right? See, all of us will be thinking, after 4 years, you all know you'll be getting a job. But we'll be thinking, what am I going to do? Where do I start? What do I do? Where do I put my skills to use? And sometimes you actually know what you study in college will actually not be of any use. You'll go there and learn something different. So, while you're in college, it's so important to have the industry connect, because that will help you realistically understand what is it something that you need to learn. So you can be yourself, be prepared, and then get into the industry directly. So this program, we work with industry experts where you'll be able to interact with them online and try to understand what is the current needs of the industry and how you can apply yourself there. Next one please. So, have you heard of these names? Sequoia, Kalari, Axel Partners, anyone? Have you heard of them? Can you please tell me? What do they do? You've heard of them. Okay, they are investors. What is the meaning of investors? Do you know? Financial help? Anyone here? Pardon me? Sponsorship? Very good. Here? Okay. Have you heard of companies Snapdeal? Yes. Yeah. Recharge? Fresh Desk? You've heard of them? So all of these investors have actually invested in those companies, right? The common worry when you want to start up is somebody already told in the audience, where do I get the money? Right? You have the idea, you're very confident of your talent, but your worry is who's going to give you that 5 lakhs? Who's going to give you that 10 lakhs? Definitely not your parents. It's not possible. It's a lot of money. Right? You have not earned. So who is going to give you that money? Right? So if your product is commercially successful after our program, we introduce you to the investors and they will look at your product and will invest with you. So the investor's role is, see, by the way, they're not doing you any favor. It is a good return for them also. So when they invest with you, tomorrow when you become big, they also get the recognition and they also get money, right? Because they would have invested in you as equity. Okay? The next one please. So again, if after our program, if your product is not commercially successful, what does it mean of commercially successful? Any idea? What is the meaning of commercially successful? Large scale success. Okay. I have to tell me where your voice is coming from.
End user satisfaction.
Very good. End user satisfaction. Anything else? Profits. Who said profit? Good. So it's a combination of the three. if someone is satisfied with your product and is willing to pay for it, and it's large scale, it's a combination of all your three words, you're commercially successful, right? Because you're making profits and you're able to grow your company. But trust me, not all the prototypes at your first time when you are doing a startup will be commercially successful because you learn. You might not do it right, but that does not mean you're failing, right? It means that you've not done it right, so you have the experience to do it right the next time. So in case after our program, if your product is not commercially successful, then we kind of give you the opportunity to look at placements in all of these companies. We have already finished 2 batches, the second one is just finishing, and the average salary of one person is 6 lakhs when we present them to these startups. Because we have an engagement with them, they already know what kind of program this is, so they value your skills more, right? So, like I said, this is the average salary that a person who has graduated from our system gets. Next slide, please. So, in college, we have 2 ways to graduate. What are the 2 ways? Degree and higher studies and placement. Right? In our system, we have 6 ways to graduate. So, if your product is successful, you can go into the startup route where you get into an accelerator or a funder. So, there are 2. You get hired or acqui-hired. 4, or you go for higher studies. Right? And what you do is you can become self-sustainable. Meaning you're so good at what you did that you don't expect even funding to come in. You're automatically in the revenue generation phase and you become self-sustainable. So there are 6. Next one please. Again, this is a video that the students themselves have said what does it take for you all to be part of this program and what experience you get. What I will do is, I will have all your email IDs and I will send the videos to you. Please have a look at it and that will help you build confidence in what we do. Next one please. See, our admission procedure is very simple. Today, how many of here, who all think you have an idea about, raise your hands a little, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good 6 of you, right? Do you all have a team? How many of you have a team? 1 of you have, very good. How many of you think you might think of an idea? Very good, fantastic. Okay. So, what you will need to do is, just, the application is very simple. Go online to our website. Just apply. And when you apply, you just apply as an individual, not as a team for the first step. Okay. After the application, then the second step is where you nominate your founder, okay, which can be 2 people or it can go up to 10 people. Okay. And there is an application fee which I will tell you in detail. And after that, there is a coding and video test. Right. So there is a problem statement given to you, and you have to code. If you love coding, trust me, you will really enjoy this exercise and the test. If you don't worry about it. You just need to partner with someone who knows coding, and you need to be capable to just get the logistics for it, like the entire logic. Right? Once that is done, there is a personal interview, which we do it on Skype or invite you to Bangalore. Right? And after that, you're into the program of final selection. So not that everyone who applies with us gets into the program. Next slide, please. So typically, for a startup, right, just do backspace, yeah. So backspace. Next one. Next, yeah. So typically for a startup, there are 3 key people, right? One who can build things, which is a developer. One who can sell it, who's a salesperson, who can actually talk about it, who can communicate very well, right? And then there is 2 kinds of sales, which is operations and sales or marketing and sales. Next please. And then if you want to add more, it is a designer and another developer. So the ideal team size is typically between 3 and 5. But we do have teams with just 2 founders, like Flipkart is just 2 founders, right? So you do have 2 2 founders to sometimes up to even 7 or 8. Right? That is up to you completely. Next one. Next please. So if you look at a comparison, our system of education is typically very theoretical. Right? In your classes you are typically told theoretically what needs to be done. Like for example, you study about team building in a college, whereas you actually build team in startup village. Yeah, next one. And you write a lot of reports and you build product decks in startup village. Next one please. And you learn coding just to write exams, whereas there you learn coding to actually build your product. Next one please. And you talk only to teachers, whereas someone really said customer satisfaction is very important. Any product that you build, you need to understand it is to serve the inspired. Just tell me, who are your role models? Okay, you have to raise your hand and then tell me. Yeah. Steve Jobs, why? More innovator. Anyone here? No role models, no one who inspires you. Very good. So let's say why? The position that you want. Anyone else? Yes. Osama bin Laden. Why? More great. Okay. Yourself? Anyone? Yes.
My father.
Your father. Why?
He came with financially.
Stop. Please stop talking amongst yourself. Don't do that. Yeah.
Financially, he's nothing in the beginning, but now he's able to take care of his family and his relations also. She's having she's financially stable now. He's a very hardworking person and very interested in what he's doing, and he's having innovative ideas and what are all he involved 100% in that matter, and he do everything perfectly even at the age of 50 above, and
That's why. Very nice. That's so sweet. Did you hear her answer? Can I ask one of you to say it? Huh? Please stop talking amongst yourself. That's not a right thing. Her role model is her father, is what she said, because she could see how determined he was, how disciplined he was to be able to financially support his family. Though, of course, he did not come from a very good economical background, but how he stabilized himself over the years. Anyone else? One more answer? Who's your role model? Yes.
Me. He's a magician.
Okay. And why is he?
Everyone in this world can be easily cheated. They have their, we can easily cheat our brains.
Okay.
He taught us
You mean manipulate the thing.
arts.
Good. Anyone else? Yes, one. Walt Disney. Why? Okay. See, we have different answers from all of you, right? I mean, some who are very popular, who is typically looked at and respected and want to be, many of us have ambitions to be like him or her. One of you said Bin Laden. You're able to see, even in a very negative picture, you're able to take a positive and say, okay, there is some thinking going on in his mind. Like in my earlier session with a student, one of them said Hitler, right? So, I mean, the point is not to ridicule your answers, to be able to see for every individual, there is a unique aspect that you admire, which is acceptable, right? What you do with that should be something possible, right? So, like this girl, fantastic, you don't need to search for inspiration. The inspiration is within your house, with your neighbors, with your friends, right? With your teachers, right? And you don't need money, power and fame is not the only one that should inspire you. Like sometimes even when you take Ola Auto, or if you're even going by any mode of transportation, you just have a talk. If you look at it, they all would have had a very tough day, right? And our society is dependent on so many people, right? And we have to respect and understand each of us have a value in it. So when we say you often look around for inspiration, tomorrow you will have to be a reason for someone to say, hey, I admire my friend, I admire my sister, I admire my daughter, or I admire my brother, whatever it is. So you will have to inculcate the habit that you become the story. Next one. So global exposure is very important. Can you tell me why? Why is global exposure important? What is the meaning of global exposure? Publicity, recognition, right? Anything else? I can't hear you. Current needs of the world, very good. And how do you know about the current needs of the world? Internet, books, connectivity, books, survey, very good. News, okay. Anything else? How do you know the current needs of the world? How many of you like to travel? How many of you like to travel? Right? Why do you like to travel?
Adventure.
Okay, one answer please.
Adventure.
Adventure. One more question. Experience. Culture, very good.
Peace and satisfaction.
Meet new people, fantastic. Any other answer? Different kind of people. So the exposure is very important because you learn something that you don't know, right? And travel gets you that. Today you are all in this college, but you will get an opportunity to travel, right? So for an example, I'm going to give you a name of something. You have to tell me which place comes to your mind, okay? Snow. Himachal, Switzerland, okay. Island, like surrounded by water. Desert, Madagascar, very good. Desert, Gaza. Alright. Biryani. Rasgulla. Kolkata. Rajasthan. Okay. How about any other new place that we can think of for something very famous? Apples. Right? So, if you look at startups, right? Startups, the valley of startup is in California. Okay? Facebook, Google, everyone started there. And it's a beautiful place because that's the origination of the entire startup community. Right? And as part of this program, the team is taken to Silicon Valley for a week. Facebook is our partner and they will host you in their campus to interact with them and for you to learn what you can learn about building a startup of your own. Next one. So this is what I just told you. So you will learn to launch your product in Silicon Valley, in Facebook. Next one. And this is another beautiful story about a young boy, just like all of you here, who with his less confidence, not sure, but had the ambition of building an idea, becoming an entrepreneur, worked with us in this program, went to Silicon Valley, interacted with startups in California, and he raised $1 million for his startup. So what I'm trying to say is, this is not a make-believe story, it is a true story. It sounds very dreamy, like can I do it kind of a thing, but everybody needs innovators. Everybody needs people who are young, who can have the ability to think. So you need to believe in yourself. So if you have an idea or you want to think of an idea, this is a good time to start. Yeah, next one. So this is just a recap of what I just told you. Next one. And this is something you need to kind of reaffirm yourself. 6 months. So this is a very valuable time that you can invest for you with your idea, or if you don't have an idea, we give you an idea that you can work with. You can choose from the ideas that we have. So this is something that's very exciting for you. Next one please. And if you look at it, this particular program of course has its cost, right? And this figure might look very expensive to all of you, which I agree with. But tell me this, will you all believe in something that is free? Will you believe in something that is free? No. Why? Tell me whatever comes to you. Why? Quality, very good. Who said that? Please say that. Whatever comes to you. You will not have that. You will be suspicious, right? Very good. Quality, you are not sure. Anything else? Pardon? Failure, competition. Assurance, right. So when you don't pay for something, you can't very confidently ask, why am I not getting the service I want? Right? And if I'm going to give it for free, I will be telling you, why are you asking me? It's for free, right? If I'm giving you for free, just be quiet and just use it. And it's also important for us to be very dynamic with our services. So this module for 6 months is placed. It is priced for rupees 37,500. Next one, please. And if you look at it, so as in the application fee, right, when you apply as a 2-member or a 10-member, it is 3,000 rupees. Okay. And then what happens is you go through the application process, which I told you about the video and the coding test, right? And then there is this 37,500 rupees, which per founder you will have to pay, right? And in 60 days, if you find the program not useful to you, we refund the entire amount back to you, the 37,500, right? And then after graduation, you will have different opportunities in which you can graduate, right? We spoke about graduation already. Next one, please. Paytm has partnered with us. So when you go through the admission process, and we are going to be scoring you in everything. We are going to be scoring you in your coding test. We will be scoring you in your video test, right? And we will be scoring you in your personal interview. If your scores are very good, right, you will be given 100% scholarship. So your entire 37,500 will be taken care of. Yeah. Next one, please. If your parents' income is less than 3.5 lakhs per annum put together, and your fees will be taken post the program. So that is something that we have kept in mind. And if you refer a friend, these are other incentives in which you can nominate a friend and try to see if they get into the system. Next one, please. So our admission process is very simple. You first apply, when you go today and write your first name, last name and your email address, and you just press submit, you're the team lead. Okay, it's very simple. It's not complicated at all. The next what you do is, you need to go back and think who all you want to work with, right? Like I said, minimum 2, maximum 10, right? And the fee is the same, it's 3,000. Okay, that's not going to change, whether it's 2 or 10. So then you add your co-founders, you pay your application fee, and then immediately your coding test is given to you. Okay? And you can start working on the test. You will have, what is a video test? Video test is basically you do a communication of what you have done. It is just to understand how good you are in communicating your solution, right? And after that, the batch starts, and then we inform you of how you progress, and then there is an interview. So this process does not include the 37,500. So this is only the application fee. Once you're selected based on your ranking, your scoring and everything, you can see if you're eligible for a scholarship. And of course, we have students who automatically want to pay for this program and enroll themselves and continue with us, right? Next one, please. So all you need to do is, you have to believe that this investment is worth it because you want to do it, right? You feel this is something that you want to be part of and be part of a program that will help you build your skills. Next one. Simple. So go to the website, look at it today. I will also send you the videos so you will hear it from your own batchmates who look like you, who've been through the program, and you will understand it a little better. And if you have any questions, you can write to me anytime and I will be able to help you out. So that's not a problem at all. Next one. So these are the key dates. Please remember that. This is actually for the current batch. We'll have one starting in September also. So 15th August is the coding and video task was open, but that is for the batch 3. But anyway, the entire batch will start only in 2nd January. Okay? And the interviews will start in October, which will be personal interview, or you'll be coming to Bangalore. So there is another batch that will start on September 1st. So today, if you nominate yourself and then you add your co-founders, you will be taken into the next batch, where you'll be given 1 month to do your video, so your coding and the video task. Typically, for a good team, it takes only 2 weeks time. 1 month is given as a buffer, because for you to identify your team and everything will take some time, so it's usually given it as a buffer. Next one. That's it. Yeah. So I'm open for questions now, and so the common questions I always get asked is, can they be of different departments? Absolutely. Can they be from different colleges? Your team members, definitely you can be from different colleges. Can you handle this along with your course load? Absolutely, you can handle this along with your course load. There is no doubt about it. So these are the 3 most common questions I get asked. If you have any other questions, I'll be able to answer. Any questions? Everything is clear? No concerns, no questions. So tell me, who is interested to apply? Who wants to just at least look at it, and who's like thinking about to apply? Okay, good. So what I will request is, ma'am, if there are about at least 15 to 20 of them who just expressed interest, and if there is a student coordinator I can work with, and I can help answer all the questions that they have, and they can get in touch with you. Anything else? Any other questions? Suggestions, thoughts, remarks?